Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at CrowdStrike? This is ticker CRWD. Now, CrowdStrike looks pretty actionable here today. We have a clear break of some resistance. I drew this downward sloping trend line. You can see resistance here, and we broke above that near-term level of resistance and did it on pretty good volume. Now, the volume's a bit skewed here because of this big bar over there, but if I move the chart over, we can see, that's better. Higher than average volume on the breakout today, so looks like an actionable move with a swing target in and around $400. Now, that's where I would expect some resistance or sellers to come in. That's where they came in back here in July of 2024. So we got to expect some potential selling in and around this area. But if it can hold above this zone and potentially consolidate around 400, maybe you get a nice base of consolidation to then redefine your entry with a break above there. So that's how I would look to play CrowdStrike right now. If it does continue its upward momentum and it's able to soak up any near-term supply. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'd love to trade with you. Join us at StockMarketMentor.com. You can take a trial. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the link in the description, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.